My name is Elisabeth, and I've lived in this neighborhood for about 10 years. A couple of years ago, I decided that I needed to add Trimlight to my house. The install process was pretty smooth. I think one of the best parts was at the end. The installer showed me how to use the app, and I was able to navigate it in real time. One of the things that adding Trimlight did was it made me actually feel safer. I use the safety and the accent lighting the most on my house. I love that I can see around corners. I love that my house is lit and full and it feels bright and welcoming. I feel safe as an individual coming home and entering my house. I would say my favorite lighting is game days. We watch a lot of sports in this house. I have the most fun kind of on game days and just getting to light it up for the colors of our team. You're gonna find how much you enjoy lighting up your home for different reasons and different seasons. And reach out to the Trimlight team. They're very awesome. They're very easy to work with, and they're happy to answer any questions you might have.